This vacuum is super amazing. I love it. It has great suction, charges quickly over here. You can have different attachments. This is to get into all the little nooks and crannies. I love to use it in my car and after all of my kids' messes that they leave around. I have a 5 and a 3-year-old, and this one definitely helps. Let's turn it on so you guys can see the suction. And best of all, it has an amazing little light here, and just in case if you need it for the dark or to make sure that you're cleaning everything up.